Welcome back. Now in this session we are going to discuss advanced table space management, where we will cover change default table space of the database, no logging option of the table space, and dropping a table space. Now here is a query: select property underscore value from database properties where property name is equal to default permanent table space. So here my default permanent table space is a system table space. When you create your database, on that time default table space is the system table space. If you create any user and if you do not assign a table space, on that time user automatically will be using the system table space. So here if I create any user, create user u3 identified by u3, so automatically this u3 user will be using the system table space. So this is the query to check whether the user is using system table space or another table space. Select username comma default underscore table space from db underscore users where user name is equal to u3. So here I got the information that username u3 is using the system table space. So now to overcome from this problem, you need to create a table space, or if you have already a table space, then make it default table space so that a user should use a non-system table space. So first we'll check how many table spaces I have. Select name from v dollar table space. So here users is a table space. Now I am going to change as a default table space using this command: alter database default table space users. So again if I fire this query, I need to correct it. So here now I can see that user 3 is using a user's table space. Or you create any new user, so automatically new user will be using this users table space. So users is my non-system table space and system is my system table space. So create user u4 identified by u4. So here I can check it. Now here I can see that user 4 is using this users. Or if you want to assign another table space to u4, then there first you need to create a table space. Create table space u data file u01 app oracle ora data focus 1 u data 01.dbf, and the size of the table space would be 20 M. Now this is my table space u data, and I can say alter user u4 default table space u data. So in this way I can alter my users table space. Or while creating a user, you can also assign the table space to that user. Create user u5 identified by u5 default table space u data. I can also set the quota QU OTA quota 10M on U data. If you do not assign the quota, then by default the quota is unlimited. So here I can see the information. U5. So here U5 is using U data table space. So if you do not assign any table space, so by default the user will be using the default permanent table spaces.